Okay, is it transparent or not? Is the problem clear or not? Problem clear कांता है रे?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the 15 marks question, and you see how to solve this problem. Sri Ram gross total income for the previous year is, for the previous year 1920 is 48 lakh. 48 lakh is the gross total income. And he make the following investments. Okay, he makes the following investments for the following donations. He makes the following donations. I explained this problem yesterday. You go through the yesterday's video and know the points. Okay. In this problem, point number A2, in this problem, point number A, point number A2, H. A to H are the first category points. A to H are the A category points. So you write these points to the outer column. And next is I to N. I to N second category items. You write in the inner column. You write in the inner column. Okay. So I told you people to remember second category 7 items very carefully. You remember 7 items carefully. Okay. You don't worry about the 26 items. You don't worry about the 26 items. So in the first step, you have to calculate qualify amount. Okay. So that qualify amount you calculate based on the first column amounts and second column amounts. First column amounts A to I, sorry, A to H. A to H are the first category. Because I am not having a thorough knowledge about the first category items. I am having the knowledge regarding the second category items. 7 points I know, and remaining points I will take in the first category. Sorry, first category is not second category, A to G point in our on bit first category. On ella bit A to G bit first category. First category A to H hakidini. In I to N you second category. Idra one yavado barudilla. Yavad kedra E point. L point is not related to your donation. It is not eligible because it is in the form of kind. Cloth distributed. Cloth distribution is not allowed. Kind the individual Vekti Kutirbardo. On bit Udella Burian Tilin. Tita. Adaka, you know, bit to Udella Buribeco. Again, Madwakan the Kedra. A to H point in the outer column. Rajiv Gandhi, Prime Minister, National Foundation, Prime Minister, Andhra Pradesh, National Defense, National Children. Up to National Children, you write in the outer column. Then Hubli Municipality, repairs and renovation, repairs to Taj Mahal, then recognized educational institution, Karnataka State Government for promotion of family planning. Promotion of family planning. But even Karnataka government and first like Barder, Syrian into war. Karnataka government and the first and the Barder. Other Kanimu Pipet Martin and Yaudo. Promotion of family planning. Promotion of family planning, second category, A point. ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಮೊದಲು ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? So now you see the solution. Yesterday I explained all these points. You see the solution. Computation of deduction under section 80G. Wait. One more point is there. It is not computation of deduction, computation of total income. They asked to calculate total income, not ETG. Okay. And in the question, the last, compute the income of Sri Ram for the assessment year. They asked to calculate income for the total income. Total income for the assessment year they asked to calculate. So total income is the last step. First 5 heads income total, gross total income. In the gross total income, you have to deduct all the deduction under section 80C to 80U. Whatever balance remains, that is called as total income. Okay. So they asked to calculate total income, and I will calculate the total income in this problem. You see here, computation of total income. Here you have to make 3 amount columns. 2 amount column for your ETG. 2 amount columns are required for your ETG, and last amount column is for your total income calculation. Total income calculation. Okay, last column for total income calculation. Particular amount. First you take gross total income. Gross total income is 48 lakh. Gross total income is 48 lakh. In the 48 lakh, you deduct all the deductions. But here is the only one deduction, that is deduction under section 80G. 80G is the only one deduction. Whatever deduction amount comes, you deduct in 48 lakh. 80G amount you deduct in the 48 lakh. Then whatever balance remains, that balance is called total income. Gross total income minus deductions. Gross total income minus deductions is equal to total income. Total income. Remember this. Okay, now we calculate the ETG. Now we calculate ETG. How to calculate ETG? All the first category items in the outer column. Outer column you have to write. Rajiv Gandhi Foundation 50,000. But outer column would then be further. If you do column, you have to ETG. One column, two column, ETG calculate. But outer then be further. This outer column total income calculate. ETG calculate amount column big. ETG calculate amount column. Rajiv Gandhi Foundation 50,000 is there. Prime Minister National Drought Relief Fund is there, 1 lakh rupee. 1 lakh rupee, second point. Third point, National Foundation for Communal Harmony. National Foundation for Communal Harmony is 25,000. 25,000 rupees there. Next is Prime Minister's Armenia Earthquake Relief Fund. Sorry, I noted it. Armenia Earthquake Relief Fund, short form. Armenia Earthquake Relief Fund, 25,000 is there. Next is Prime Minister National Relief Fund. Prime Minister National Relief Fund, 25,000 is there. Okay, 25,000 rupees there. Then next is Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister's Earthquake Relief Fund. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Earthquake Relief Fund. That is 25,000. Okay. National Defense Fund, 1 lakh rupees there. National Defense Fund, 1 lakh rupees. Then next is National Children's Fund. National Children's Fund is 50,000. National Children's Fund is 50,000. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, are the points. Up to this, these are the first category items I recorded in the amount outer column. This is outer column of ATG. I recorded in the outer column. Okay, like this you write the outer column. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವನು ಯಾವನು ಬೈಪಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಇದರ ವರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಟೀಟಾ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಇ ಎಫ್ ಜಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದು ಏನಿರೋಲ್ಲ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಔಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ದ್ರಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಇ ಎಫ್ ಜಿ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವೋ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹುಬ್ಳಿ ಮುನ್ಸಿಪಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನಲ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್. Hubli municipality, municipal corporation, Hubli municipal corporation for education purpose. Education purpose comes under second category. So you write in the inner column, 1 lakh rupee, 1 lakh rupee, inner column. Second is repairs and renovations of church. Repairs and renovation of church is D point. It is D. Church, mandira, gurudwara, mosque. You will ಬರ್ತಾವ second category ಬರ್ತಾವ 2 lakh rupee. You write 2 lakh rupee. The next is repairs of Taj Mahal, historical place, comes under the second category. Second category 2 lakh rupee. Then third is recognized educational institution. Donation to recognized educational institution. Educational institution, second category. Okay. These 4 items comes under this. Then cloth distributed is not allowed and it is in kind. It is in kind, therefore it is not allowed. Okay. Then you take the total of inner column. Sorry, one more is there. Karnataka State for promotion of family planning. Karnataka State for promotion of family planning. 1 lakh rupee. This is the A point. Okay. Now you take the total. Total is 7 lakh rupee. Total is 7 lakh rupee is the total. Okay. If you take the total of inner column, then you calculate 10% of adjusted GTI. 10% of adjusted GTI. Gross total income is 48 lakh. In this 48 lakh, you deduct 3 items. You deduct 3 items. First item is capital gains. Second is share of association of person. Third is any other deductions except ATG. Okay, but in this problem there is no deduction item. In this problem there is no deductible item. Therefore 48 lakh. 48 lakh is the adjusted GTI. And 10% of that you take. 10% of that is 4,80,000. 4,80,000. 4,80,000 or rupees 7 lakh total. 7 lakh total or rupees 4,80,000. Whichever is less, you take to the outer column. So 4,80,000 goes to outer column, second column. Okay. This is the way of calculation. Now you take the total of this. The total of this is called as qualify amount. This outer column means second column. The second column total is called as qualify amount. Qualify amount of deduction, donation, not deduction. Qualify amount of donation. So, in deduction, the second part is deduction. The deduction is of 2 stages. In the deduction, there are 2 stages. First stage is 100% deduction. First stage 100% deduction. Second stage 50% deduction. 100% deduction, 50% deduction. So in the 100% deduction, you take all the items mentioned in the outer column. You take all the items mentioned in the outer column. All these items you take. All the items you take in the 100% deduction, but except 4 items. Except 4 items. What are those 4? One is Jawaharlal Nehru. Second is Indira Gandhi. Third is Rajiv Gandhi. Fourth is dot relief fund. Okay. 4 items leave. You leave 4 items and remaining all you take to the next stage. And you tell me what are the items you have to leave. This item is available. ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಎರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ಎರೋ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇವೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೋರಿ, 100% ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಇವ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಇದ್ರ 4 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಯಾವ 4 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ? ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ವರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ, ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ವರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ, ಇಂದಿರಾ ಗಾಂಧಿ ವರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ, ಡ್ರಾಟ್ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ. ಇವ್ 4 ವರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾವ ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ ಹೇಳು? ಯಾರೊಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಇವ್ರ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದು? ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ. ಒಂದ್ ಬಿಡೋದಾಯ್ತು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಿಡೋದು? ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಡ್ರಾಟ್ ರಿಲೀಫ್ ಫಂಡ್. ಇವೆರಡು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದು ಎಷ್ಟ? ಉಳಿದುದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರಬೇಕು. ದಿ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತಾವ್ ಕೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಉಳಿತಾವ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Then come to the inner column. In the inner column, these are the items. In the inner column, these are the items. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items, you take only 2. You take only 2. What are those? One is promotion of family planning. Another is Olympic game. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ದಾಗ 4 ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದು ತಗೋರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೀನಿ? ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವ ತಗೋಬೇಕು? ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್, ಒಲಿಂಪಿಕ್ ಗೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರ ತಗೋರಿ. 2 ಐಟಮ್ ತಗೋರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರಾಗ? ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಐಟಮ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಹೌದಾ? 100% deduction items are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items comes under 100%. Clear? In doubt it? So I'll go to the next page for calculation of deduction. Deduction calculate ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾವ ಐಟಮ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ? ಈಗೇನು ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ಅವತ್ತು ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಾನು 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಔಟರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಾನು 6 ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಇನ್ನರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ದಾಗ ಇದು 1 ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ 7 ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಸೀತಾ you see here, total qualifying amount is 8,80,000. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಯನ್ನ. The total of this column is 8,80,000. This is called as qualify amount. Qualify amount. The next stage is 100% deduction amount. 100% deduction amounts. Under that, I will take 7 items. National Foundation for Communal Harmony, Prime Minister, Armenia Earthquake Relief Fund, Prime Minister National Relief Fund, Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Earthquake Relief Fund, National Defense Fund. Then next is National Children's Fund, and last is Karnataka State Government Promotion of Family Planning. Okay, 1 is from inner column, 6 from outer column. Okay, now you take the total of this. You take the total of this. all the 100% amounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 items total. What is total? Anyone tell me? 7 items total. You take the total of these 7 items. I think total of this is 3,50,000. You write in the 3,50,000 in the middle column. That is in the outer column. You forget the last column. Last column is for total income. Last column is total income. And mark bidri. But outer and the outer quadrant. 3,50,000 is the total. Clear? So your duty is to deduct it. 8,80,000 minus 3,50,000. 100%. Otherwise, you write at the first point, less 100% deduction. Less 100% deduction means 3,50,000. This is the total. If you deduct, remaining balance is 5,30,000. 5,30,000 is called as balance of qualify amount. Isn't correct note. Balance of qualify amount is 5,30,000. Okay, 5,30,000 is the balance of qualify amount. Qualify amount balance is further. Okay. Then in the next stage, 50% of balance of qualify amount. 100% ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ದ್ರಿ in 50% ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ 50% balance amount. 50% of balance amount. Balance amount is balance qualify amount is 5,30,000. 5,30,000 into 50%. 5,30,000 50% ಮಾಡ್ರಿ inner column naga ಬರ್ರಿ. It is 2,65,000. 2,65,000. 2,65,000 is the 50% of balance amount. Clear? Then you take the total of the inner column. You take the total of this inner column. The total of this inner column is 6,15,000. Okay. 6,15,000 is called as deduction. Remember this point. 6,15,000 is called as total amount of deduction under section 80G. 80G the get deduction ಹಾಕಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 6,15,000 deduction you ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. 6,15,000 deduction you have to charge. Okay. This is the 80G problem completed. 80G problem completed. But they asked to calculate total income. So total income they asked to calculate. In the gross total income, you deduct the deduction. You deduct the deduction. So deduction is amount of deduction of 80G is 6,15,000. You take this amount to the outer column. So the third column. 6,15,000 is the deduction. 6,15,000 is the deduction. So you deduct it. You deduct 6,15,000. Your income is 48 lakh. Okay. 80G total. Sorry, gross total income is 4,48 lakh. 48 lakh is the gross total income. In this gross total income of the first page, you deduct 6,15,000. If you deduct 6,15,000, whatever answer comes, your answer is 41,85,000. 41,85,000 is called as total income. Total income is 41,85,000. 41,85,000 is the total income. Clear? This is the way of solution. First two columns are related to ATG and last column is for total income. In this way, you solve the ATG problems. Okay. Now you see the third example, the third question. In the third question, Sri Shankar paid the following donations during the previous year ended 31st March 2020. Sri Shankar, third question. Sri Shankar paid the following donations during the previous year ended 31st March 2020. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ A B C D E F G ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ರೆ ಪೈಲಾ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬರೆಯಬೇಕು. Okay. So you see here, first point is Rajiv Indira Gandhi. First point is Indira Gandhi Memorial Trust. First point is there. So it is not related to second category. It is not related to second category. So it goes to outer column. It goes to outer column. Then next is Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. Rajiv Gandhi Foundation is also not in the second category of 7 items. So you take in the first category. You take in the first category. Then third, Jilla Saksharata Samiti, duly constituted. Jilla Saksharata Samiti is first category. It is not in the second category of 7 items. So you take in the outer column. You take in the outer column. The next is municipality approved for promotion of family planning. Municipality approved for promotion of family planning, this point is the second category. It is in the second category. Therefore, you take in the inner column. You take in the inner column. You take in the inner column. Then next is Corporation of Notified Minority Community. It is the minority community. It is also the second category item. Minority community, Corporation of Notified Minority Community is the second category item. I think it is the fourth one. Fourth or fifth point. Second category will bರ್ತದೆ. ಇವೆರಡು point. So out of these points, first Rajiv Gandhi, second Indira Gandhi first, second Rajiv Gandhi, third is Saksharata Samiti. 3 points goes to outer column. 3 points goes to outer column. 2 points comes in the inner column. The total of the inner column is 2 points. What is the total of the 2 points? Last 2 points. ಇವೆರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ?
35,000.
35,000 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಆ ಇನ್ನರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 10% ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ GTI ತಗೋಬೇಕು. You see the next para. Sri Shankar's gross total income. Sri Shankar's gross total income for the previous year was 2 lakh rupees. 2 lakh rupees is gross total income, which include 20,000 being share from an association of person. Share from association of person. Then what is the adjusted GTI? What is the adjusted GTI? Adjusted GTI ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಳೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗಳಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಒಂದು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಗೇನ್ಸ್ ಕಳೀರಿ, ಎರಡನೇದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ಗಳು ಕಳೀರಿ, ATG ಒಂದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು, ಮೂರನೇದು ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಳೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ 2 lakh minus 20,000 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 lakh minus 20,000 2 lakh minus 20,000 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1,80,000 ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1,80,000 is called as gross total income, adjusted gross total income. 1,80,000 is the adjusted gross total income. 10% of debt. 10% of debt is 18,000. 18,000 is the 10% of adjusted gross total income. So 18,000 is the 10% of adjusted gross total income. And inner column total is 35,000. Inner column total is 35,000. Okay. Whichever is less, 35,000 or 18,000, whichever is less, goes to outer column. So 18,000 goes to outer column. 18,000 goes to outer column. What is the qualify amount here? Total qualify amount. The total qualify amount is this much. 10,000, 10,000, 5,000 plus 18,000. What is total? 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 18. 43,000. 43,000 is qualify amount. Okay. 43,000 is the qualify amount. Then you have to deduction. You have to give the deduction. You have to give the deduction. Out of outer column items, you have to leave 4 items. Okay. You have to leave the item. This is not for 100% deduction. Second is also not for 100% deduction. Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi are not 100%. Okay, you have to leave that. And regarding the second category, 2 items, municipality for promotion of family planning comes under the second category. Okay, second category. In the 100% deduction, only 2 items comes. Your qualify amount is 43,000. Qualify amount is 43,000. Qualify amount is 43,000. In the 43,000, 100% deduction amounts. One is Jilla Sakshara Samiti, 5,000. Second is Municipality for Promotion of Family Planning, 10,000. 15,000 comes for 100%. So if you deduct amount coming under 100%, 15,000, then remaining balance is 28,000. Remaining qualify amount 28,000. 28,000 is the remaining qualify amount. 50% of that is 14,000. 15% of that is 14,000. 14,000 plus 15,000. Inner column 100% deduction. 100% deduction is 15,000. 50% deduction is 14,000. Total deduction is 29,000. Total deduction is 29,000. This is the answer. 29,000 deduction ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾರಿಗಾರಿ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ನಾಳಿನ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ನಾಗ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಮುಂದಿನ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ನಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. So only 2 minute time is there.
Sir.
Yes.
Please share the answer of second question, sir.
Second question answer.